Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. Time travel is not possible in real life, yet the mere thought of being able to travel back in time is something that always excites us. And there are some directors who have tapped into his fantasy and created a world where time travel is not only possible, it's actually a central theme of the story. So here we are discussing 5 interesting time travel movies.
Maraschino cherries.
That's my favorite drink too.
About Time. Directed by Richard Curtis, this romantic comedy revolves around a young man who discovers that he has a special ability to travel through time. He uses this ability to improve his life, correct any mistakes he ever made, and experience love. However, his greed to live a perfect life creates more problems than he would imagine. This film is a lesson for us all to live each day as it comes without worrying about the future or past.
Please clench your fists. Think of the moment you're going to.
Before I Fall. Zoe Deutch plays Samantha, a young woman who has it all: a loving boyfriend, a group of loyal friends, and seemingly perfect life. But one car accident changes it all. Things don't change after her death. She gets transported back in time and is forced to relive the day of her death again and again. Directed by Russell Yames, a drama with a dash of suspense, thrill, and mind-numbing psychological adventure.
I think I'm a good person. It doesn't matter what I think.
When we first met. When things don't work in our favor, most of us wish to go back in time to either correct our mistakes or change the course of events. Time travel is not possible in real life, but Ali Sandel gives the opportunity to Adam Devine in this romantic comedy. The story revolves around a man who falls in love with a woman only to be friend-zoned by her. Unable to forget her, he decides to make her fall for him when he accidentally gets transported back in time.
What's up, girl?
Predestination. This sci-fi thriller revolves around an agent who travels back to the 1970s to prevent a bomb attack in New York. However, he soon realizes that this mission may not be as easy as he thought it to be. The premise may be simple and straightforward, but the treatment of the film and the unexpected plot twist make this movie, directed by Michael and Peter Spierig, worthy of being on the binge watch list.
That ruined your life.
Looper. Starring Bruce Willis, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Emily Blunt, this story revolves around a set of contract killers that called loopers in a futuristic world where time travel is real but only accessible to those who can afford it. These loopers are hired by criminals or mob bosses to travel back in time and get rid of their enemies. But what happens when a looper goes back in time and becomes a victim instead?